Markets opened down big this morning, and then mom and dad, in true fashion, run back in to buy the dip because they're not afraid of any re-escalation of the trade war. Trump threatening 50% tariffs on EU goods, European Union goods, 25% tariffs on Apple products, and as I mentioned on Wednesday, may not reverse the prior law the Bidens put in there to restrict chip sales to especially China and the rest of the world. They don't care. Mom and dad went surfing through their couches to find extra money to buy the dip today. Who am I kidding? Mom and dad have the plastic over their couch. The couch can't even get dirty, let alone money fall out of the pocket and go in there between the cushions. The bear market continues, and if you're paying attention, my lines are pretty damn good. The point number one, bear market rally high, we came within about 0.3% of that, have fallen ever since for the last 4 days. We reached point number two here, my first target low of 57.75, almost exactly. Then we came up to point number three, my dead cat bounce target. Now my target was 58.10. Yep, got a little higher than that. That's okay. Now I want to see my next target low, point four of the second target low of 56.50. I don't know if it happens on Tuesday or Wednesday because markets are closed on Monday. We do have to break below my 0.3 dead cat bounce high there to get to 0.4, but we shall see. But these lines are pretty good. This morning, pretty close to the open, I did sell about a quarter of the short positions that I had accumulated earlier in the week, and then a little later on, not perfectly, but a little later on, when mom and dad were buying again, I did re-enter some new short positions, so I'm ready for next week. The 10-year yield all over the place today and fractionally down as of about 2:30 Eastern. I still say that the 10-year yield being this high right now is bearish, not good for the stock market. Let's see what happens. I still own my favorite bond fund that I bought earlier in the week. It came back a little bit today. I'm willing to hold it because, yeah, yields can come up a little bit, but we are still now, with the little breakdown today, we still are in that confirmed breakout between 4.54% and 4.43%, so I'm holding my bond fund. Gold as of about 2:30 Eastern, almost tying its previous all-time high. I can be wrong. I say gold makes all-time highs, maybe as early as next week. As of today, we have an unconfirmed breakout above the $3,320 a share level. I'm saying it's only an unconfirmed breakout because technically yesterday we did close below that line, so closing above it today is only the unconfirmed breakout. We need another meaningful higher close to confirm the breakout. Again, it could happen next week, but I am loving my gold trade. Bitcoin, in my opinion, down on the day, but is still in that confirmed breakout above $108,600 a coin or so. I would not be shorting Bitcoin just yet. I would need to see a little more weakness. Who knows, maybe next week, watch these levels. If you're watching this on TikTok and the handle in the lower left-hand corner is anything but Crocker Capital, you're on a scam page. Crude oil, I really still don't see a high odds trade here, at least as of today. Again, I beat myself up a little bit about a day or two ago where, yeah, maybe I did miss that opportunity to short crude. That's fine. I'm not going to catch every time, and I'm not going to force trades. I'm very happy that yesterday I did not force a crude oil short trade because it's back up on the day. For me to short crude oil and have a really warm, fuzzy feeling about it, I'd really want to see it come up to about $64.42 a barrel. Maybe it doesn't happen and we meander down. We shall see. Natural gas, personally, I don't see a high odds opportunity here to short natural gas. I understand it. It is hanging around that $3.66 a cubic foot level. I can understand why some people may have taken a short trade today. For me, for natural gas, I would want to see it get higher, up to about $3.94 a cubic foot. So watch natural gas. Markets closed on Monday for Memorial Day. We are free because of the brave. Thank you to all of the soldiers that are no longer with us, that are still with us, that will ever become soldiers. Thank you. I appreciate my freedom. Thank you so much. Please remember the soldiers. Please, mow the lawn on Saturday morning maybe, and then enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'll be back with you on Tuesday. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC.